Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today's our topic is isotopes, isobar and isoelectric species.
First of all, we will discuss what is isotope. Those element which have same atomic number but different atomic masses. ऐसे एलिमेंट जिनके एटॉमिक नंबर तो सेम होते हैं बट उनमें एटॉमिक मास डिफरेंट होता है, इन्हीं को हम आइसोटोप्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बन C12 एंड C14. एक कार्बन, इनके एटॉमिक मासेस डिफरेंट है बट एटॉमिक नंबर सेम है. इट मीन्स इनके प्रोटॉन सेम है बट न्यूट्रॉन के काउंट में डिफर है. फॉर कार्बन 12 द न्यूट्रॉन काउंट इज only 6, but for the 14 the neutron count is 8. That's why their masses are different but atomic numbers are same. Similar, another example is hydrogen isotopes. Hydrogen first isotope is having atomic number 1 and mass 1. Second isotope having atomic mass 2 and the third isotope having atomic mass 3. Their atomic numbers are same but the atomic masses are different. So those elements which have same atomic number like 1, 1, 1 but having different atomic masses, for example in hydrogen first, second, third, these are called isotopes. They are the hydrogen isotopes and carbon C12 and C14 are the isotopes of carbon. Next topic is isobar. What are isobar? Those elements which have different atomic number but same atomic masses, just like this. They have different atomic number but have same atomic masses. It means their neutron and proton counts are differ. Here neutron is 8, here neutron is 7, here proton is 6, here proton is 7 but the atomic masses are the same. Another example is potassium and calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20, atomic mass 40. For the potassium atomic number 19 and the atomic mass is 40. They both are isobars of each other. Similarly, carbon and nitrogen are the isobars of each other. Our next topic is isoelectric species. What is isoelectric species? Those elements which have same number of electrons are called isoelectric species. ऐसे elements जिनके पास number of electrons same होते हैं उन सभी को हम isoelectric species कहते हैं. For example, fluorine negative ion and sodium positive ion. If we count, fluorine have 9 electrons, 1 he accepted, so total electrons are 10 electrons. How many electrons are there? 10 electrons. For the sodium have 11 electrons, 1 he donated, so it have 10 electrons. They both are isoelectric species. It means they have same number of electrons. Similar for the Na positive ion and magnesium 2 positive ion. Sodium have 11 electrons but 1 he donated, so it remains 10. Similar for the magnesium. Magnesium have 12 electrons which 2 it donates, so remain 10. They both are isoelectric each other. Fluorine, sodium, magnesium, they all are isoelectric each other. For example, if we include oxygen 2 negative, so also it also have 10 electron. It means oxygen 2 negative is also electronic species. They all are isoelectric species to each other.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe.